up, YouTube? It's a new video here. It's your boy JM8686. Follow, like, subscribe. Today videos, we're going to show you, we're gonna find out how much is a Mazda rx7, Mazda rx8 13B rotor weights. We're gonna weigh this bad boy. Let's see how many pounds it weighs. You're planning on shipping it, you wanna find out how much it weighs. We're gonna go ahead and do that. This one is from a 2004-2008 Mazda rx8. It's a 13B, of course. It's stock, it's original. It haven't been CNC, lightweight, anything. Stock. So this is one, and then the other one we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out the rotor housing. Same 13B from a Mazda rx8. Anything between 2004-2008 or also 2004-2011. It's the same thing. As you guys know, how can identify which one do you have, the 2004-2008 or 2009-2011? It's nice and easy. You're gonna check on your rotor housing, and then 2004-2008, they only have two oil injectors, which goes right here. And the newest one, they added a third one, which is right here. So we have three holes where the oil injector goes, 1, 2, and 3. You have the newer one, which is 2009 to 2011. Well, anyway, we're gonna find out how much this one weighs, and we're going to find out how much the rotor weighs. They both came out from a 2006 Mazda rx8. Also, I would like to shout out to my homeboy Alberto Roman from Oregon. You asked for your shout out, there you have it. Like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, we have our scale here. It's in 0. Let's go ahead and try the rotor first. Just place them in there. So your rx8, this is from a stick shift. Weight is exactly 9.7 ounces, 9 pounds, 9 pounds, 0.6. Let's try to flip it around. Yeah, 9.6. That's how much your rotor weighs. Now let's see the housing. Set her in there. Housing 12.9. I'm sure it should be like 13. Well, so far, yeah. 12.9. That's your regular 13B from our rx8. Yep, 12.9. Try it again. Yep, 12.9. Try this again. Nine 9.7. No apex seals, no coordinator seals. Is the rotor itself 9.6.